Thinking about taking the OSCP but you've already mastered the basics? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm giving you a step-by-step guide designed specifically for intermediate learners, people who've done some labs, know a bit of Linux, maybe even rooted a few boxes, but need a clear, focused path to finally pass the OSCP. Let's break it down step by step, from labs to reports, toolkits to mindset, everything you need to go from intermediate to OSCP ready. Step 1. Build a customized plan. At this level, generic advice doesn't work anymore. You need to zoom in on exactly what you struggle with. Focus areas, deep enumeration. Privilege escalation, Windows and Linux. Buffer overflows. Pivoting and tunneling. Report writing. Tip, break it into weeks. Weekdays, 90 minutes focused labs. Weekends, buffer overflow plus reporting drills. Track what you hack. Log what you learn. Stick to the plan. Step 2, master the tools you already use. Here's what you should focus on at this level, tools you must know inside out, map with custom scripts and timing. Go Buster or Fuff for aggressive fuzzing, enum for Linux, client, and crackmapexic for Windows boxes. linpeas.sh and winpeas.bat for post-exploitation. Burp Suite for web application targets. Bonus, start scripting basic automation, it saves time and shows off SEC level skill. Step 3, develop the OSCP mindset. OSCP is 50% hacking, 50% mindset. Practice doing 4 to 6 hour focused sessions. Take notes like you're teaching someone else. Learn to move on from dead ends, don't get stuck for 3 hours on one idea. Mental fatigue is real. So build stamina now, not on exam day. Step 4, learn professional reporting. The OSCP exam doesn't just test hacking, it tests documentation. What to include, target info and methodology. Commands used, not just the payload. Clear screenshots of every root or proof.txt. Full path to exploitation, even if it seems obvious. Tools to try, Obsidian, Cherry Tree, or even Markdown in VS Code. Do it now, don't save reporting practice for exam day. Step 5, run a full mock exam. Set up your mock like this, mock exam setup, 24-hour challenge. 1 buffer overflow box, 25 points. 1 AD or privilege escalation box, 20 to 25 points. 3 standalone Linux or web boxes, 10 to 20 points each. Track your score. Time every exploit. Write the report after, just like the real test. And that's it, your intermediate level, step-by-step OSCP guide. Let's recap, build a smart plan. Master the tools. Develop mental endurance. Practice reporting. Run a real exam simulation. If you're prepping for the OSCP, comment below with your current progress. I'd love to hear where you're at and what you're struggling with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We've got more focused OSCP content dropping every week. You got this.